Want to know the secret to helping your baby master rolling from their back to their tummy? As a pediatric occupational therapist, parents ask me about this all the time. Rolling is a major milestone, but it doesn't have to be a guessing game. In this video, I'm going to share the exact age you can expect your baby to start rolling, along with 4 simple, evidence-backed activities you can start right now to build their strength and teach them the movement. Before we jump in, grab the free developmental milestone PDF linked in the description below. It covers your baby's entire first year, so you always know what to expect. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more OT-backed parenting tips. So when do babies actually start rolling from back to tummy? Typically, this skill emerges between 4 and 7 months of age. But rolling doesn't happen all at once. It follows a very clear developmental path. Around 3 months, your baby learns to hold their head in midline and track objects with their eyes and head. Next step, as their upper body strengthens, tracking a toy causes their shoulders to lift and rotate off the floor. Following step, that rotation trickles down to their hips, pulling them over into side lying. The final push, from side lying, they'll either play on their side or use gravity and trunk strength to roll fully onto their tummy. Now, how can you help them build this skill? Here are 4 practical activities. 1. Assisted rolling. You don't have to wait for them to do it alone. If your baby has no medical complications, you can start guiding them through the motion as early as 2 weeks old. Lay them on their back, hold their left leg straight, and gently guide their right hip over top until they roll onto their stomach. Untuck their arms if needed. As they grow, pause at the side-lying stage to let them complete the final push themselves. This builds motor memory and removes the fear of rolling over. 2. Strategic toy placement. Around 4 months, hold a high-contrast or sound-making toy directly above your baby's chest. Once they lock onto it, move it slowly across their field of vision and up toward their shoulder. Looking up and over forces their head and trunk to rotate, naturally pulling their body over. 3. Dedicated tummy time. Tummy time is essential. It develops the foundational neck control, shoulder stability, and back strength to push off the floor. If your baby struggles with tummy time, check out my full video covering 4 easy positions to make it enjoyable. 4. Play gym kicking. Finally, spend time playing on their back under a play gym. Reaching for hanging toys and kicking their legs in the air engages the deep abdominal muscles. Strong tummy muscles are the engine that powers the roll. Try these 4 activities at home to set your little one up for rolling success. Download your free milestone guide in the description, subscribe for weekly pediatric OT tips, and I'll see you in the next video.